stop this racket. Just what is in there? What's happening? Yeah. It's probably just bad capacitors again. I wouldn't be surprised to find a ghost in here. Jeez.
There is only a 23% chance that failed capacitors are the problem. Caution. Moving robot arm. It's alive. The typewriter is alive.
Yeah, I knew it.
Restricted. Property of United States Army Air Defense Command.
Oh, crap.
Enter passcode.
Okay, I got this. It's going to take a while. Hang on.
Mike, I discovered something amazing.
Okay.
The numbers typed by the IBM Selectric typewriter are the GPS coordinates of the Lubyanka building.
Yeah.
The old headquarters of the KGB to the FSB, Soviet Security Services. In Moscow.
Got it. So?
If the third number is a range in miles, then we have a circle that runs through Berkeley.
Okay. Enough.
And then we draw a vector to the coded message transmission point. Then bang. We have solved it.
Okay, I'll be there in a minute.
The target area is patrolled by the Southern Pacific Railroad Police Department. Trespassing is forbidden within 15 feet of the tracks. Accepted pedestrian crossing. Digging is forbidden, especially as jet fuel gas lines run under the tracks.
Well, it's unbelievable how much gold is here. It's like zero, or possibly -0. Like, really negative. I'm thinking this is abandoned stuff from a daycare meth lab monkey testing facility.
Success. Treasure found. It's a plate. Verified. U.S. Military. Army. Issued 1955. Or Knights Templar. Issued 1030. Hey, look at that. It's coming. Keep looking. I'll decode it. No problem. Confirmed. It's a whirly gig.
Please respect private property and, if you want to get rich, hit the subscribe button.